Brave Wallet Review. Brave Wallet is a cryptocurrency wallet integrated directly into the Brave browser. It allows users to manage, trade, and interact with cryptocurrencies and decentralized applications without the need for third-party extensions. The wallet is part of Brave's broader mission to create a privacy-focused web browsing experience while supporting blockchain technology. What is Brave Wallet? The Brave Wallet is a self-custodial, non-custodial wallet, meaning users have full control of their private keys and digital assets. It supports multiple cryptocurrencies, integrates seamlessly with dApps, and is designed to enhance security by eliminating the need for third-party browser extensions like MetaMask. Now let's move to the key features that Brave Wallet have. First is native integration. It's built directly into the Brave browser, eliminating the need for third-party wallet extensions. Second is multi-currency support. It supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Solana, and other blockchains. And last is private key management. It offers non-custodial private key storage, ensuring users retain control over their funds. There's more key features that Brave Wallet, but for this video I just used 3. You might think, what about the pros and cons? So here are the pros and cons. I will just use 3 for each of them. First is the pros. Number 1 is enhanced security. As a native browser feature, it reduces vulnerabilities associated with third-party extensions. Second is user privacy. It aligns with Brave browser's privacy-centric philosophy, and last for pros is all-in-one solution. It combines crypto wallet functionality with secure web browsing. As for the cons, here's number 1. Browser dependency. It only works within the Brave browser, limiting flexibility. Second is limited features for beginners. It may not be as intuitive for new crypto users compared to standalone wallets. And last is no offline access. It requires an internet connection and the Brave browser to function. That's just some of the pros and cons that I found when using it, but that's all for the Brave Wallet review. Hope you knew something new in this video, but that's it. Thank you.